5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Hey, VIPKID fam. Teacher Madeline here. I just want to share with you guys this. I don't know, maybe you're already doing this, but I found it's really helpful for pre-VIPKID, especially those trial classes. Recently, I've been getting a lot of trial signups, and I keep getting the pre-VIPKID trials. I guess that's because I have the most success with that. I don't know, but anywho, this is one of my little tips for, you know, the slide with the Meg and Mike pattern, where it's Meg, Mike, what's next? So these are pretty common. You know, these little character guys, whatever. You can go into the Hutong, and I just searched VIPKID characters, and they're like PDF documents and stuff that you can download for free and print them out. And then I put them on popsicle sticks, and don't even have a hot glue gun. Just put the painter's tape on the back. But I've been using these forever. So anyways, I have my Meg and Mike, and on the pattern slide, Mike, and I try, you know, very masculine, Mike, Meg, Mike, Meg. Mike. Ah! Oh, what's next? I think that really helps with understanding, but also the kids just get a kick out of it, and they're just rolling over with laughter. So I just want to share that with y'all. I don't know if you're already doing that, but I recently discovered it, and it's helped me out a lot getting those trial signups. So hope it helps you out too. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a wonderful VIPKID kind of day. Toodaloo.
Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.